Okay, dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Hackthebox, which is Academy. I've already spawned the machine earlier. This is the IP address of the target. And this machine is Linux machine. And as always, I'd like to use the POM box to do this preparation. You know, this POM box is provided by the Hackthebox. Before we begin today's journey, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. This will help me very much. So, yeah, enough said. Let's just get started. We can switch over to the view of the online Payload OS. As you can see, I've already done the map scanning with the options like scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan, and also the comprehensive scan. From the map scanning results, as you can see over here, the three open ports. The first one is 22, which is running SSH service, and also the corresponding version information. As we know, this version doesn't have any vulnerability. The second one is 80, which is running HTTP service and also the actual version information. And as you can see, it didn't follow redirect to this domain name. Of course, we need to append this one to the host file. And then the last one is 33060, which is running MySQL. So I think now, the first thing we need to check is whether this MySQL allows or has the weak credential vulnerability, and we can check by run MySQL and root and the target IP address. Let's press enter and put the password as root. I think it will fail, so I will not wait. Okay, so I think now what we are going to do next is to do immersion for the web application on the port number 80. Let's launch our browser and make it bigger so you can see what's going on. And put the IP address of, I think now from the map we have already know that we need to append this host name to the host file. We can make a copy, and maybe we can open a new notebook. So we can make a copy, and now we can echo. I'd like to use command line to append this entry to the host file. And paste in here. And tunnel to sudo. Of course, we need to use sudo, otherwise we don't have permission to make a change to the host file. Alright. Of course, you also can use the Vim editor or other editor to do this. So now if we go back to our browser and access the host name, let's press enter. We got the page back, and normally we need to check the source code of this page to see whether we can find some interesting information, but nothing at all. And also we can check whether this site has robots file, right? Robots. You know, as a pen tester, we need to follow the standard methodology, right? Not found in this case. So, I think now we need to, we can know that this page has two links. The first one is login and register. Maybe we can click login to see whether we can use admin and admin as admin and password is also admin, but no success. And also we can try the login bypass technique, and the password we can put any random information, login, but failed. So I think now what can we do next? Of course, also we can check the register function, but I'd like to do it later. So now I think we can use the Nicto to do some automatic enumeration. Nicto. Academy HTTP. Let's press enter. Give us the server information. Of course, we have already know that config.php, and we can check whether we can access this config PHP. No error, but empty page. Also, we can, the main page, we can, access this one. We got another login panel. And of course, if you wish, you can try the similar techniques, what we have already done. But you will not make it work. So now if we go back to our terminal, I think it's time to quit. And next, maybe we can use the GoBuster to do the directory enumeration. Academy. And the word list is GoBuster, directory, and the option PHP file, HTML, TXT, like that. Let's press enter. I think we have already know such directories already. And to save the time of this video, I'd like to interrupt here. Now, what we can do next, maybe we need to review the function of register, right? And we can click register, and we can register like name JSON, the name password 123, and repeat password 123, register. Don't save. Nothing special, okay? And now we can log in, right? JSON 123, login. We got this page, which is very similar to the Hackthebox. But I think some links are not effective at all. As you can see here. So, I don't want to walk through all links of this page. And, maybe also we can try to log into the admin panel with the username and password. JSON and 123 login, but failed. So now I think we need to analyze the request for the register more closely. I'd like to quit or log out from this page, and now we can navigate to the home page and click the register button. Now we can register another new username, for example, like a Bob, and the password is 123, and 123 register. And now we can, sorry, I forgot to, we can, I need to set the proxy to Bob and launch our Bob suite. Bubble Suite can allow us to analyze the request and the response between the browser and the target or the server. Enable the proxy. Already done that. So we can register another new username like Bob1, and the password is 123, and 123. Register. I think Bubble Suite has already intercepted this request. I think from the fields, I think this is submitted by the form. The HTML form. Sorry about that. But this one, UID and password, we have already seen these elements in the page here. If you use the inspect or the source code of this page, we can know that, like the login form. This is the name of this variable, UID, and the password. But this one, the raw ID is a hidden one, the hidden one. So maybe we can manipulate this one. Just now it's 0. If we change to the 1 to see what will happen, now we can forward this request. Now, if we turn off the proxy and to see whether we can log in as the user Bob1 to log in the admin panel, 1, 2, 3, log in. We successfully log in as the user, what we've just created. Here, I think one very important discovery is this subdomain. So, of course, we need to append this subdomain to our host file, right? We can echo. I think my machine is not responding. Echo IP address of the target and paste the subdomain and use the same way. Sudo host file. All right, it's done. Now if we access this subdomain to see what it's about, maybe we need to put the prefix. As you can see, some error like unexpected value exception, and also a lot of, I think this must be some sort of debugging data. But here from the log file, the name is Laravel. So we can copy this one and use the Google search engine to see whether this application has vulnerability, especially RCE or remote code execution vulnerability. And it does have, for example, like a GitHub and also the exploit database. But if we scroll down, even the Rapid7 has link. This one. This one. You know the Rapid7 is the developer who developed the metasploit. In other words, the metasploit has a module which can work for this vulnerability. The token, Laravel framework token unserialized remote code execution. Of course, if a metasploit has a module, this should be our first choice to exploit, right? So now we can launch Metasploit console. Now we can search Laravel. I think we can use this first one. From the module name. So we just make a copy and paste in here. And we can use the default payload. Show options. And we need to set the local host to our own machine. And I'd like to change local port number to 555, which is my personal habit. And also we need to set the remote host. Yeah, this case we cannot use the IP address to be the value. And we can make a copy of this subdomain. I don't want to type in because it's a bit long. All right, and then we need to set the, so which one? Show options. Yeah, this one also, I think we need to set the app key, and we can set the app. Of course, at this moment, we do not have this value. But if we go back to our application, I think the major problem with this application because is that this application reviews a lot of log and debugging data. For example, here, as we scroll down, this is the app key. So we just make a copy of this key and go back to our metasploit console, paste it in here. Then we can run this module to see whether we can get the initial foothold or command a shell session. It looks like it's working. Command shell session has been opened. Now we can check the ID, which is www data. Now we can make it or spawn the bash session. Import pty module. All right. Next, we need to do some local enumeration. Yeah, we can navigate to the home directory. There's so many different users on the target. So maybe it would be best we can use the Limpia shell script to automate the process of enumeration. First, we can navigate to temp directory because in this directory we can do almost everything. We can write and save files. Now we can open another tab. Yeah, I've already got this Limpia shell script ready, and we need to upload this shell script to the target. And the way to do it is very simple. We just set the web server Python 3 HTTP server module, and now we can upload Limpia's shell script, and then we can make it executable, and then we can run this shell script. You know, the Limpia shell script is so powerful for the local privilege escalation because it will go through all possible misconfigurations, the local privilege escalation vulnerabilities, or some process information, cron job information, SUID information, capability information. Also can enumerate out the files which contains the credentials like passwords, right? So yeah, this is it's very, very important tool or utility. And the counterpart for this Limpia shell script would be Wimpiers, which can be used for the Windows machine. Yeah, if you follow along my video series, I have already demonstrated that technique. I mean the Limpia shell script. But to be honest, yeah, I'm more familiar with the Limpia shell script. I don't like Windows very much. You know, the Windows, the command line is so complicated. Anyway, we just wait for this to be finished over. Yeah, it's finished. And now we can scroll up. Yeah, a lot of different type of information. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, the env environment file has or contains the password. So maybe we can make a copy and note it down to our notebook. You know, the password may be reused by the users, right? This is also very common, a way to make lateral movement. Now we can go back to the home directory, and yeah, we can, of course, you can try different user names with or combined with the password what we've retrieved. But to save time, I just use the correct one to log in to the target. We can make a copy, and now we can open another tab, SSH, paste, and the target IP address, and we need to copy the password. All right, yeah, we have already successfully logged in as the user Cree0L1T3. You have very complicated username. So now, of course, this is just a shell, and we can this is shell. We need to spawn the bash. This would be very easy. So now we need to do, maybe we need to do local privilege escalation, or make another lateral movement to the user. And now we can go to the home directory and go to this one to see whether we can retrieve the user flag, right? User. Okay, now we can navigate to different home directory of different users, but nothing there. And also we can go to the second one. Yeah, nothing there. And now we can go to the next one. Yeah, this one, can run the sudo maybe, but nothing. Now we can go to this one. Yeah, nothing there. And go to the last one. Yeah, nothing special here. But if we check the ID of this user, I mean this cry user, if we can call it, this user also belongs to another group, which is admin. ADM. I've already opened up this website. You know, this website explains different groups in the Linux. As you can hear, this group, admin group, is used for monitoring tasks. Members of this group can read many log files in this directory. So now we can even go back to go to the log directory. There are many different files, but this one, the audit directory, we can go to the audit, because in this directory possibly will contain the password information. And for example, we can cat the audit log file, a lot of outputs. So maybe we can use the tool or report to give us the summary or the report of the log. And we can use the TTY option, and which you can display password in clear text. As you can see, we got some very important information. This user, SU. And of course, I think this password is used by this user. So now we can make a copy. Then we can switch our shell to another user. And we can paste the password here. Yeah, it works. And also we can change to the bash. So now what can we do next? We need to elevate our privilege to root user. How to do it? I think of course we can run the limpia shell script again and to see whether we can find out the vector, the attack or the escalation vector. But here, to simplify all to make the video to be a bit short, I'd like to go to the correct one, the composer. So it means that we can utilize this command to escalate our privilege. But how to do it? This website, the GTF OBINS, comes into play. And we just follow the instructions or steps. So we can make a copy. And now we can paste in here. The 3 commands in total which need to be executed. So we just copy and paste. This way will be the most convenient way and will not make a mistake. And the last one, should be this one. Not this one. Made a copy. I think my keyboard is not working correctly. Anyway, we just paste in here. It's working. Now we can navigate to root directory. And then we can retrieve the root flag without any issue, right? So that's pretty much it. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.